Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to boil fish without oil. First, select fresh fish fillets, about 1 inch thick for optimal results. Next, gather your simple ingredients, fish, water or broth, and your favorite seasonings. Finally, ensure you have a pot with a lid and a slotted spoon ready for the cooking process. This method is quick and healthy. Now, let's prepare your fish and the cooking liquid. Rinse your fish fillets under cold water and pat them completely dry with paper towels. Then, fill your pot with enough water or broth to cover the fish by about 1 inch. Don't forget to add your preferred seasonings to the liquid, such as a pinch of salt, some black pepper, or fresh dill. It's time to cook your fish. Bring the seasoned liquid to a gentle simmer. A rolling boil is too aggressive. Carefully add the fish fillets to the simmering liquid, ensuring they are in a single layer. Cook the fish for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Thinner fillets might take 5 minutes, while thicker ones could take up to 10 minutes. To check for doneness, gently test the fish with a fork. It should flake easily and appear opaque throughout, indicating it's perfectly cooked. Using a slotted spoon, carefully remove the fish from the pot. Serve your delicious, healthy boiled fish immediately with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some steamed vegetables or brown rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.